Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a 4th of July cake because being American in a foreign country, I can't pass up 4th of July without making a cake. So let's get started.
I'm decorating a 6-inch cake dummy today. I'm frosting it with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some white fondant and covered the cake with it. I smoothed it on with a fondant smoother in my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I rolled out some red fondant and marked it with the measuring tape every centimeter, and cut the fondant into thin strips. I cut one end at a 45-degree angle and placed them onto the side of the cake, leaving a bit of space between them. I trimmed them to the top of the cake and covered the side of the cake with them. I rolled out some blue fondant and cut out tiny stars with a plunger cutter and placed them at the top of each stripe. Then I placed another tiny star between the stars already placed. Then I cut out some larger blue stars, cleaned them up a little, and placed them on top of the cake. I love how this cake turned out. It's very patriotic and just screams stars and stripes. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.